Hi everyone, students. Today we are going to chapter 11, set. Do you know what is set? In our daily life, we can classify the recycled material into several categories: paper, plastic, glass, aluminium, fabric, and so on. How can this category of material will be represented mathematically? So classify the object. Let's say plastic, paper with the box, glass. Do you have aluminium? The objects which has common characteristic will be classified into the same group. Each of these group is known as set. Look at the self-practice 11.1a. Classify the objects in list below as land, water, and air report. So each of these group is known as set. How do you describe set? First, you can describe set using description, listing, and set builder notation. For example, we can write the color of a jalur gemilang in set A as follows. Description: A is the set of colors of jalur gemilang. Listing: set A can be represented by using set notation. So A equal to, you start with set notation: red, white, blue, yellow with comma. Each object in the set is known as an element. This is element of the set. The third method is set builder notation. Set A can also be represented by using set builder notation. With a set notation X double dot, X is the color of jalur gemilang. In example number 1, describe each of the following sets by using description, listing, and set builder notation. Letters in the word Malaysia. Let the set be represented by P. Description: P is the set of letters in the word Malaysia. Listing: so you listing M, A, L, Y, S, I. The same elements need not be repeated. Set builder notation: P equal to set notation X double dot X. You let them know X is a letter in the word Malaysian. For B, odd number which are less than 20. So you let the set be represented by Q. Description: Q is the set of odd number which are less than 20. Listing: Q 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 until 19 which are less than 20. Can I write 21? No. The third method, set builder notation: Q equal to X double dot, X is an odd number and X less than 20. This is the symbol less than 20.